Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another mechanical engineering license board exam reviewer. Today's topic is on math worded age problem. And it's regarding the ages of parents and children. Okay, here is our problem. And remember, if you have a problem, we have a solution. At present, the sum of the parents' ages is twice the sum of children's ages. 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' ages was 4 times the sum of the children's ages. 15 years ago, hence, the sum of the parents' age will be equal to the sum of the children's ages. How many children are there? Okay, it's a long question. Okay, we need to analyze the given. At present, the sum of the parents' ages is 2 times the sum of children's ages. And 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' ages was 4 times the sum of the children's ages. Then, 15 years from now, that's in the future, the sum of the parents' ages will be equal to the sum of the children's ages. So there is present, there's past, and there's future relationship here. Okay, and then the unknown is to solve for how many children that the parents had. Okay, before we go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to please subscribe, like, and share. Share the knowledge. And we're back to the solution. So we'll let n the number of children and c the sum of the ages of children at present. Okay. Then we establish some equations here. At present, the sum of the ages of parents equals 2c, twice of c, as it was given. And equation 1, 5 years ago, 2c minus 10 is equal to 4 times the quantity c minus 5n, because the given is 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' ages was 4 times the sum of the children's ages. Okay, that's why here we have 2c, it's the sum of the parents' ages, minus 10. Why did we get 10? 10 is because 5 years ago we need to subtract the 2 times to the parents, and then c minus 5n. How did we get that? We need to subtract the sum of the ages from C minus 5n, 5 times the number of children. Okay, and so we simplify. We got 2c minus 10 equals 4c minus 20n. Then we got equation 1, 20n equals 2c plus 10. And for equation 2, we're gonna base the equation from here. The future relationship. 15 years from now, the sum of the parents' ages will be equal to the sum of the children's ages. So equal is the key word there. And so we get the equation 2c plus 30 is equal to c plus 15n. 2c, that's the sum of the parents' ages, and 30 is we're adding 15 and 15 to both of the parents. So that's why we get 2c plus 30 equal, that means they will equal, as it says in the given, c plus 15n. N is the number of children, so we multiply by 15 to add 15 to all the children. Okay, and so we simplify. 2c plus 30 equals c plus 15n. C is equal to 15n minus 30. Okay, now that we have two equations and we have two unknowns, then we can substitute the value of C from equation 2 into equation 1. Now equation 1 is 20n is equal to 2c plus 10. But we know c is equal to 15n minus 30 from equation 2. So we simplify, substitute and simplify. 20n is equal to 2 times quantity 15n minus 30. That's the value of c plus 10. So we simplify again, and then we find out that n is equal to 50 divided by 10, n is equal to 5. That is the answer, and that is the number of children. Okay, that is the final answer. However, we need to check and verify to make sure that we have the correct answer. So we solve for the sum of the ages of the children. So C is equal to 15n minus 30. So that equation we got from equation 2. C is equal to 15n minus 30. So we're solving for the sum of the ages of children. We got C is equal to 15n minus 30. We now know that n is 5, so we substitute. C equals 15 times 5 minus 30. We get 75 minus 30 equals 45. 45 is the sum of the ages of the children. And we check by substituting both values that we now know, both C and N. Substitute in equation 1, we found out that 20n equals 20c plus 10. Substituting n and c, 20 times 5 is equal to 2 times 45 plus 10. 100 is equal to 100. Both sides of the equation are equal. So we do the same thing to equation 2. Substitute the values of c and n. We got c is equal to 15 minus n times n minus 30. We got 45 is equal to 15 times 5 minus 30. We got 45 is equal to 45. Both sides of the equation are equal. Is equal. So there you have it. I hope this was useful to you, and please remember to comment if you have questions, and please remember to please subscribe, like, and share. Okay, cheers and have a good one. Take care.